So next chemical properties of the benzene diazonium salts. So benzene diazonium chloride, it is the benzene diazonium chloride react with the potassium iodide. It is the potassium iodide Ki. In the presence of copper, it gives iodobenzene. It is the gives the iodobenzene. So C6H5I is the iodobenzene, and also byproducts are potassium chloride and nitrogen. So it is the one of the chemical reaction. It is related to Gutterman reaction. So what is related to Gutterman reaction? Benzene diazonium chloride react with potassium iodide Ki. In the presence of copper, it gives iodobenzene C6H5I plus KCl and nitrogen. These two are the byproducts. So now next reaction is Sheichmann reactions. It is the Sheichmann reaction. What is Sheichmann reaction? Wherein benzene diazonium chloride C6H5N2Cl, it is treated with fluoroborate. What is it is treated with what is benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride, it is treated with what is fluoroboric acid. So actually it is benzene diazonium chloride. HbO4 is fluoroboric acid. Fluoroboric acid. So fluoroboric acid HbO4. So then removal of HCl. So then it gives intermediate product, that is C6H5N2BF4. On strong heating of this intermediate product, it gives what is C6H5F. It is the fluorobenzene. It is the fluorobenzene. If potassium, it is in the presence of what is minus HCl. So benzene diazonium chloride, it is treated with fluoroboric acid. So then it gives a intermediate compound. On strong heating of the intermediate compound, it gives what is C6H5F fluorobenzene and nitrogen and BF3 boron trifluoride. These two are the intermediate products. So now same as benzene diazonium chloride treated with fluoroboric acid HbO4 fluoroboric acid minus HCl, it gives intermediate compound same as C6H5N2BF4, wherein N2 plus BF4 is minus. Now this intermediate compound react with sodium nitrite NaNO2 in the presence of copper and strong heating. So it is NaNO2 in the presence of sodium nitrite, copper and strong heating. It gives C6H5NO2. It is a nitrobenzene. What is a nitrobenzene? Nitrobenzene. So then N2 plus NaBF4, these two are the intermediate products. So now it means in diazonium halides or in diazonium chlorides. So now N2 group is replaced by what is N2Cl. Okay, N2Cl is replaced by what is fluorine halogens or NO2 group, same as NH2 amine groups, like that. Okay, so now next one is importance of diazonium salts. So now what is the importance of diazonium salt? Actually, diazonium salts, general representation is R, it is N double bond, it is N lone pair of electron plus, it is a lone pair, and it is X minus. It is a general formula. Wherein R is the alkyl or aryl. Alkyl or aryl. Now this group is replaced by this group. What is N2X minus? What is N2X minus is replaced by hydrogen, for example. So then C6, it is C6H5, it is phenyl. C6H5 plus H. Then what gives us C6H6 benzene? So now C6H5, so it is replaced with what is NO2 group. So now it is C6H5. What is C6H5 NO2 nitrobenzene? If C6H5 NH2 amine, C6H2 N2 plus, it is the diazonium amines. So it means in diazonium salts, N2 and halogen is replaced by what is NO2 group or hydrogen or NH2 group or N2 plus. So wherein AR is the aromatic, it is the C6H5, it is a phenyl. So phenyl plus hydrogen, it is C6H6 benzene. So now it is C6H5 plus NO2. So it is C6H5 NO2 nitrobenzene. For example, it is C6H5, it is a NH2. So now C6H5, it is NH2, it is aniline. What is it? It is benzene, it is a nitrobenzene, it is the aniline. So it means what is the importance of diazonium salt? In diazonium salts, N2 and halogen, N2 plus and Cl minus are replaced by different groups, hydrogen, NO2, NH2, HSO3, like that, any group. Okay, so now it is the importance. So next one is last concept is azodice. Azodice means benzene diazonium. Azo means azo compounds, benzene compounds. Benzene diazonium chloride compounds. Dice means these are the colors. The diazonium salts show the color property. So based on the pH value, the color of azo compounds, the color of dyes are changes based on what is pH value. So generally pH value 0 to what is 14. So for example, exactly 7. So it is the 7 to 14. 0 to 7 is acids. 7 to 14 is base. Exactly 7 is present. It is the neutral. It is a neutral. So now for example, it is C6H5. So it is C6H5 phenyl with N2Cl, benzene diazonium chloride, react with phenol C6H5OH. Benzene diazonium chloride treated with phenol C6H5OH in the presence of OH minus. It is a hydroxyl group. So now hydroxyl group means this solution nature is basic nature. So according to what is Arrhenius theory, base must be contains OH minus ions. So this solution pH value is 7 to 10. So now 7 to 14 in between. So solution nature is a basic in nature. So its pH is 7 to 10. So it gives what is it is C6H5, it is OH, it is N double bond N, it is C6H5. So actually it is a para hydroxy azobenzene. Para-hydroxyazobenzene. Actually, it is the N2. So it is ortho position, it is meta position, it is the para position. What is it? It is a para position. Para-hydroxo. So this remaining compound is azobenzene. So it is one of the dye. So its color is orange color. Its color is orange color. So same as it is C6H5, it is a phenyl plus N2Cl. So now it is C6H5, it is N double bond N, it is Cl. It is a benzene diazonium chloride. It is treated with aniline. So it is a phenyl group plus NH2. So it is a C6H5, it is a NH2. So it is a aniline. What is a aniline? So benzene diazonium chloride treated with aniline in the presence of H plus. Actually, H plus means the solution nature is acidic nature. So this reaction is acidified reaction. Now this solution value is pH is this solution pH value is 5 to 7. So now 0 to 7 actually. What are pH values? So pH values 0 to 7, 7 to what is 14. So now 0 to 7 is acidic. What is 0 to 7 acidic? Now 7 to 14 is what is basic. If exactly 7, these solutions are neutral solutions. So now benzene diazonium chloride react with aniline in the presence of acidified water. So then the solution nature is acidic nature because its pH value is 5 to 7. Then it gives para amino azobenzene. So it is N2, it is ortho, it is meta, it is para. Same as it is ortho, it is the meta. So now it is the para. So para position with NH2 group. So now it is the para amino azobenzene. This dye color is the yellow color. What is the dye color? Is a yellow color. Now azo dyes colors on the basis of pH value. If the pH value 7 to 14, the dyes color is orange color. If the pH value 0 to 7, the dyes color is what is yellow colors. What are yellow colors? These are the chemical properties of the diazonium salts. Actually, in this diazonium salts chemical properties, important reactions are Sandmeyer's reaction and Gutterman reactions. What is first one is very important reaction is Sandmeyer's reaction. So same as what is Gutterman reaction. What is Gutterman reaction? Gutterman reaction. Only little bit of difference between Sandmeyer's reaction and Gutterman reaction. Actually, Sandmeyer's reaction undergoes in the presence of cuprous chloride, Cu2Cl, but Gutterman reaction undergoes in the presence of only copper. Gutterman reaction in the presence of copper, and Sandmeyer's reaction undergoes in the presence of cuprous chloride. Okay, so now wherein actually benzene diazonium chloride treated with potassium iodide in the presence of copper, it gives iodobenzene. So name same as benzene diazonium chloride reactive with fluoroboric acid. So then it gives what is fluorobenzene and also what is nitrobenzene. Fluorobenzene obtained in the presence of what is C6H5N2BF4. So then nitrobenzene obtained in the presence of sodium. What is sodium nitrite? So sodium nitrite.